Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set the walking and running workouts to miles or kilometers on the Apple Watch 7. So first let's go back to your home screen by pressing on the side button to go back to your home screen. Now on your home screen you want to tap on the settings icon. In settings, go back to the main settings home screen. And in settings main screen, we're going to go down and tap on workout. Then go down and tap on units of measurement. In units of measurement, you want to go down and tap on miles or kilometers for walking and running workouts. Now if you go above one, you can also set miles and kilometers, but this is for cycling workout, so make sure you choose walking and running workouts. And that's it. Finally, you can press on the side button here to return to your home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.